mix. Hey guys, today I'm gonna cook some Pampano fish. So I have here bok choy, okra, eggplant, olive oil. I'm using sinigang sa kamyas mix, guys. It's bilimbi. It's gonna be bilimbi soup base. 2 cups of water, chicken cubes, ginger, cut onion, red, tomato cut, and then green onion. So guys, so I already have here probably like 1 table and a half olive oil, ginger, a little bit onion, and the tomato. And also guys, I'm gonna put some black pepper. Ako ba ito puro nyo? And then sprinkle with black pepper. I'm probably gonna use some Himalayan salt. So I'm just go ahead and put the 1 chicken cubes. You guys have to taste it when you guys cooking your food. Cook that a little bit. You guys can buy this in the Asian market, guys, or you can order online on Amazon. They have everything in Amazon. I'm gonna put like half of this bilimbi soup base. You can add the rest later. The taste of that bilimbi soup base, guys, it's sour. It's a fruit that you can use it for cooking, or you can just eat it like that. So I'm gonna put the water, the 2 cups of water. And actually that sinigang sa kamyas is yummy. Then I'm gonna add the pampano, guys. You can use any kind of fish you guys like in this soup. A little bit more black pepper. And I'm gonna let that boil, and then I'm gonna put the gonna let this boil, guys, and then add all this vegetable, and we're gonna taste it again. So now, guys, it's been boiling. By the way, guys, I put 2 of these chicken cubes in the 2 cups of water. So I'm gonna add the eggplant. Okra. Green onion. I'm gonna add the rest of the bilimbi soup base. bok choy. By the way, guys, this is from my garden. And then the eggplant. There's not having vegetable. Then you put the lid and let that cook, guys, and taste it, and then that's it. It's done. Taste it if you need more spices, salt, or more black pepper. Here's the pampano soup, guys. It's yummy. Try it. The balimbi soup base mix.